Today we will learn how to read and write numbers. For this, we will need to develop a little table that looks something like this, where you can actually write all the place values. From right to left, I have ones, tens, hundreds, and when you hit 3 digits, you're going to put a comma. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, a comma. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, a comma. Billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Whenever you see a comma, you will go to the digit right next to it, and that's where you say the word billion. Here, this is where you say the word million, and here, thousand. And you're going to read them in groups of 3. So let's try a number. Let's say I have something like this. Don't forget to hyphenate all numbers 21 to 99. Now, I have a comma right here, so I'm going to group them groups of 3. The first 2 numbers on the left is 23. You write 23. And you see a comma. This is where you say thousand. And you put your comma in there. Then you have 461, which is 461 hyphenated. So that ends the reading of this particular number. Let's put another number together. And I will group them groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one has many digits. Left to right, you are going to read in groups of 3. There's nothing to the left of 2, so you have 2. And you hit the comma. This is where you say million. Comma. Now you're going to read the 3 numbers. 460. You hit the comma, and that's the thousand. Then you read the last 3 digits. 530 hyphen 1. Let's try an even bigger number. Here we go. And this may take a while. Let's put 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, left to right, groups of 3. The first one is 2 billion, comma, 406. That is 406. And you hit the comma, and that's the comma millions. Million. Next group. 231. And you hit the comma, that's thousand. Then the last 3. 200. One. Another aspect of reading and writing for whole numbers is to recognize exponent notation. So let's try to write a number in exponent notation. I know 3 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. So I can write this number as 3 times 100, which means 3 of hundreds digit, plus 2 in tens digit, 6 in ones digit. Now let's try another number. Before we do that, let's try to write this in exponent notation. 100, I know that it's 10 to the second. This is 10 to the first and 1. Let's try a bigger number. I know 4 is in the 10,000s digit, 2 in thousands, 6 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 5 in ones. So that means I have 4 times 10,000 plus 2 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 5 times 1. You can also write this using exponents. 10 to the, you have 4 zeros. 2, 10 to the, you have 3 zeros. 100, 10 to the 2 zeros. 10 is 10 to the 1 0. 5 times 1. Let's try one more. That should read such as 2 millions. I'm going to try to go to the exponent notation right away. 6 zeros. That's in the millions place. I have 100,000s place. That's 5 zeros. This one is 10,000s place. And I do not have anything in the tens and hundreds, and then I just put nothing. Then I have 3 times 1.